In this video, you'll learn how to connect Calendly to Zoom. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to automatically create Zoom meetings for your scheduled events in Calendly. Begin by logging into your Calendly account. Once logged in, locate the left sidebar on the main dashboard. Here, you will find a variety of options available for you to manage your settings and integrations. Next, click on Integrations in the sidebar. This will take you to a page displaying all the integrations that Calendly supports. You will see a list of various applications that can be connected to enhance your scheduling experience. Now, look for the option labeled Zoom within the integrations list. Once you find it, click on the Connect button next to Zoom. This action will initiate the process of linking your Calendly account with your Zoom account. After clicking Connect, you will be prompted to sign in to your Zoom account. Enter your Zoom credentials as required. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that process as well. Once you have successfully signed in, a screen will appear asking you to click Authorize. This step is essential as it allows Calendly to access your Zoom account for creating meetings. Confirm this action to proceed. After connecting Zoom, navigate back to your event types by clicking on Event Types in the left sidebar. Here, you will see a list of different events you have created. Open the specific event you wish to link with Zoom. Within the event settings, scroll down to the section labeled Location. In this area, look for the option to select Zoom Meeting. Choose this option to ensure that your event is associated with a Zoom meeting. Finally, remember to click Save to apply the changes you have made. This step is crucial as it ensures that every time someone books this event, a Zoom meeting will be automatically created and the link will be sent to both you and the attendee. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.